So we're going to make a ramp system that looks something like this. So we need a few different parts. The first thing you'll need is a ruler like this that you'll find in your school kit as opposed to your science kit. This is your school kit of materials. It has a centimeter side of the ruler and an inches side of the ruler. We're always going to use the centimeter side of the ruler. When we make the ramp out of the ruler, we're going to be looking at the centimeter side of the ruler, and we're going to put the high numbers at the top, and we're going to put the 0 centimeters at the bottom of the ramp. High centimeters at the top, 0 centimeters at the bottom. Ideally, you will set it up on a smooth floor, and you'll put a piece of clothing down to act as a backstop so you don't lose your marble. The next step is to position the dragon at the end of the ruler, like so. And then you're going to make sure that the tape measure is lined up so that the 0 of the end of the tape measure is lined up to the nose of the dragon. So the nose of the dragon carefully lines up with the 0 end of the tape measure. The next thing you will do is pick a release height of the marble. So here Miss Stevens picks 15 centimeters as her release height, or her release point of the marble. She'll then drop the marble, and the marble will hit the dragon and push it across the floor. Once the dragon stops moving, we're going to measure from the nose of the dragon, and we're going to line up an index card on the tape measure and decide how far the dragon has moved. In this case, 44.5 centimeters.